Hi, it's Kozue. I'm designing a Python-inspired nail look using a newly released nail foil sheet from CanDo, a popular 100 yen shop in Japan. This foil sheet is 97 centimeters long, basically a lifetime supply. It's sold at the 100 yen shop, so it's super easy to grab. And for a nail foil lover like me, it's absolutely irresistible. The brown foil sheet has a large scale pattern, just the right size for the thumb. On smaller nails, the pattern might look too big. The blue foil has a smaller scale pattern compared to the brown one, so it works well not only on the thumb but also on the other fingers. Today I'm using two different Python pattern foils in one nail set. I'm not sure if the colors will get along. They might clash a little. I'm gonna apply Born Pretty's Autumn Water Light Cap Magnetic Gel number 3 to the thumb. I'm applying this gel to cover up any spots where the foil didn't transfer perfectly. This is a cat eye gel, but I'm actually using it to cover up some imperfect foil spots. It doesn't have to be magnetic, but since I'm using the same color on other nails, it helps keep the look cohesive. This shade feels so autumnal, warm, muted, and full of depth. It looks beautiful with a magnet, but for now I'm just using it as a base. Later I'll use a magnet effect on other fingers. I'm using CanDo's foil gel. You need to cure it for 3 minutes. I'm applying it evenly across the entire nail. I'm gonna cure it for 3 minutes. Okay, time to apply the nail foil sheet. Let's see, which part should I use? I flip it over to check. Turns out the patterns are same on both sides. I'm using a silicone pen from Daiso. The curve of the tip really does a great job. First, I press vertically, then horizontally, and diagonally, working outwards in a radial motion. I'm scraping with the tip of my nail, even though I know it's not great for the hyponychium. I also go in with tweezers. The foil is starting to lift little by little, so I gently peel it off, like shedding a skin. Wow, it transferred perfectly. But if you look closely, there are a few uneven spots on the surface. Right here. This area could be used a bit more pressure with a silicone pen. Just a gentle rub to smooth it out. The foil transferred so cleanly. Probably I didn't need a base color gel. There are still a few uneven spots on the surface, so I'm applying a layer of base and top gel to smooth it out. I'm finishing with a non-wipe top coat. Foil sheets are so easy, just press and you've got instant nail art. I'm definitely trying this on my natural nails next. The thumbnail art is complete. Now I'm applying the same Autumn Water Light Cap Magnetic Gel number 3 to all the other fingers. For the first layer, I'm applying the gel evenly across all fingers. Then I use a magnet to settle the shimmer particles. This step is the same for all fingers, so I'll skip ahead in the video. Now I am applying the second layer of gel across the entire nail. Then comes the tricky part, using the magnet to create a pattern. It took some effort to get it right, so I hope you enjoy watching this part. I floated the particles slightly to the left, Then tried to gather them toward the lower left, but the pattern ended up doubling on me. So I tried again with a square magnet. And oh no, it doubled again. One more try with a square magnet, again. I'm starting to wonder how long will I keep doing this? Oh, double pattern again. But you know what? I'm letting it go. After repeating this magnetic drama 3 times, I've created matching patterns on all fingers except the ring finger. For the ring finger, I didn't create any magnetic pattern. I settled the particles in both layers. Now I'm adding a full sheet to bring in a bold accent. I'm wiping off the uncured gel with ethanol to prep the surface. Then I'm applying CanDo's foil gel. I'm applying the foil gel only to the upper half of the nail. The edge is a bit uneven, and it's totally fine. Curing it for 3 minutes. Now I'm choosing the best pattern. It's surprisingly hard to pick. Each part has a different vibe. I'm rubbing the foil firmly using the curved part of the Daiso silicone pen. I also use a tweezer to press and rub. Whatever works. Okay, let's see if it transferred well. This is the most nerve-wracking part. Yes, it looks amazing. I was worried about the color combo, but the blue python over brown is stunning. I'm applying a no-wipe matte top coat now. This step helps prevent excess chrome powder from sticking where it's not wanted. I'm wiping the surface with ethanol to have the chrome powder release more cleanly. Once it dries, I gently rub with a makeup sponge. I'm gonna draw thin lines using CanDo's no-wipe top coat. These lines are wavy and curved. When drawing with clear gel, it gets hard to see where and what kind of lines I've drawn. So without realizing, I ended up drawing lots of different lines. That's today's small point of reflection. I'm rubbing in the Bon Pretty chrome powder I really love. It's sparkling so beautifully, but I drew too many lines, especially on the right side. The chrome powder scattered a bit, so I cleaned it up with washi tape. I'll finish by applying a no-wipe top coat over the whole nail. I'll show you the final look in just a bit. I'm doing nail art on the middle finger. I'll stamp using a plate bought from AliExpress. I removed just the silicone part from a Seria stamper and attached it to a stamping base I got from Daiso. I'm using a stamping polish I got at Walmart in Hawaii. It has incredibly strong pigmentation. Since I only want to stamp one word, I removed the unwanted designs using washi tape. Nice, I like it. I'll put this on the index finger. I'll glue it using Seria's base and top coat. I think I bought the chain from Shein. This gel has a slightly thick texture, so it seems like it will hold the chain in place nicely. I'll finish with a non-wipe top coat. I need to make sure to coat deep inside the chain. I really scrub the brush to reach the nail under the chain. Painting the edge like this will be pretty tricky on your natural nails. Once I've applied top coat to the pinky and middle fingers, those I hadn't coated yet, today's full set is complete. At the beginning of today's video, I was worried about the color balance between the blue python pattern and the brown python pattern. What do you think? I really love how the blue works as a striking accent. It pops beautifully. I think it turned out to be a sleek, autumnal, and sharp-looking nail design. Cool and beautiful. The thumb looks cool too. The Python pattern nail fall sheet from CanDo is highly recommended. Thank you very much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!